Yeah. There's a garage door mic. I'm going to show you a hit door. There's a juicy one here. Bricks there. Brick mold. That kind of got wampused. You can start taking this stuff off if you want. We're taking this door down so we can get the car out. I think it's like a 3/8 or 5/16. Let me get in here. Okay, opener still hooked, holding it up. Careful of the door. I was out here a while ago. My sticker's over there on the wall. Right there. You see this track over here is finagled. It's off the ground. That track's kind of goofed up. So we're going to take this door down. We're going to get this car out, and then we are going to restack the door back in the opening somehow, some way, so that these people can get this car out. They've been without a car for a few days here, so we're going to get them back up and rolling. And maybe it'll be a part 2 and part 3 video here, who knows. But this is stuff we deal with on a daily basis, so accidents happen, no one was injured, which is good. That's the best part. And the better part is, let the insurance take care of this, that's what insurance is for. Let them, get the insurance here, get them a new door, probably get them a new opener, and let's go from there. You can't get these sections anyways. There's an old McKee or Wayne Dalton or something. It's a shiplap. It's not even a tongue and groove. Let me get out here. This might be a Guardian, maybe, I think. I don't know if you can tell, but that's a shiplap. They don't make this no more, man. Thank the Lord. I think old Gadco used to be shiplap, but anyway, this is what it is. We're gonna get this thing down, out of here, and get these folks get their car out, vehicle out, and then we'll go from there. 630-271-9343, www.innovateddoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Thanks for watching part 1, maybe, of part 3 of the door schmackaroony. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching.